Hi parents, this is Miss Francis. I am going to show you real quick how to access your child's digital portfolio that we are creating through Class Dojo. Now, I've already showed the kids how we've set it up and how to post here in the classroom using our laptops and our iPads. So the first thing you want to do is log in as a parent. I will do that as well, just to show you, make sure that is right. Okay, so here's the dashboard, which you see all the time, how I post our videos and whatnot of the students as we go through our day and what we do. Now to find the portfolio, it's not real difficult. We click over here on your student's name, and what they've posted appears here. Now you can go through and you can comment, or you can send me a message. This was made back earlier in September. The prompt was, what are some things that you like about 5th grade? And so this was their answer to that. And so right there's their portfolio. We will be posting hopefully more assignments as we go throughout the year, some of our fun things that we do. And so they'll be right here for you to see, because I know sometimes assignments don't come home and you wonder, what are you doing in class? Well, we're going to post digitally now. Hey, if you have any further comments or questions for me, feel free to email me or send me a quick message through Dojo.